Well, hi, Harrison. Harrison has a runny nose. We're gonna get it. Yeah. Ready? Get your nose wiped. There you go. One more. Last one. Last one. Oh, because he wants to see what's in the box, huh? So, we have an unboxing today from Hibbett Sports. They ended up sending the wife a package, and so I figured it'd be fun to have a video. Say hi, Harrison. Hi. We've all been sick right now, actually, so this is kind of like wife can't even hardly talk. Right. So we're gonna open this box, and there's a knife back here, very dangerous.
All right, let's push it forward, and then
Daddy's gonna open it, okay? And I know what this is, but the wife doesn't know. And shout out to Wendy and everybody over at Hibbett Sports for sending this over for the wife. Kind of a random.
Be really careful.
Yeah, I'm gonna move the knife over here.
Whoa. Whoa, what's this? Ah. Harrison. Ultraboost.
Yes. Yes, Harrison. Yes, Harrison.
Cool, Harrison.
Cool, huh? Are those fun?
They're awesome.
So I think this is probably the best colorway of the Ultraboost in women's and men's both. It's actually just a women's colorway. Well, Harrison's like, this isn't what I want.
Are you outie, bro?
You don't like the shoes? Are these not a toy? He's like, those aren't a garbage truck. What do you think about this colorway?
I like it a lot. I can't talk very well.
Yeah, the wife, her name's Alicia, if you didn't know, Alicia. People will get mad at me for calling her wife. Point of clarification, she earned that title since we got married, so like.
I don't care.
It's like an endearing term. Anyway, I saw this colorway and I really liked this colorway, and I was hoping to surprise you with it, and it's the new Ultraboost 4.0.
Thank you. Those are awesome.
Compliments of Hibbett Sports. Thank you again. If you guys haven't shopped at their website, check the link in the description and go shopping on their site. They do have a release calendar. Let you guys know of all the future releases that they end up getting on their site, and they did get the Yeezys, the last 2 launches, so they do get quite a few awesome drops from Adidas, Nike, and Jordan Brand, all 3 of the big 3 companies. So, yeah.
They're awesome.
I'm excited for you to wear these ones.
No.
You haven't got it. She hasn't got a new Ultraboost in a while, actually. I haven't bought. Every time I buy them, I just buy them from me. So I was thinking of you for once.
Thank you.
Thank you to Wendy and Hibbett again, because
these are awesome.
They made this happen.
I do like the colorway. It'll go with like, goes with like everything probably.
Yeah. And if you guys are interested in this colorway and you are like I like this colorway, I would get this for men. It's size 10 women's equals a size 9 men's. So it only goes up to like 11 or 12 though, unfortunately, in women's. So it's for smaller feet dudes, but I would totally buy this one in my colorway. I think it's clean.
It is.
Do you like the overall 4.0 pattern? The whole upper is different than the previous ones?
I like it a lot.
Yeah. So she's an OG. She has the first colorway of the black and the blue cage, the Ultraboost. She has those ones. So I think this is your next pair since you've had those ones. I don't think you've had a pair since. So it's kind of fun. All right, so here is a closer look at the shoes for those that wanted to see. Colorway is super clean. Really like this colorway. And if you guys didn't see, I did a detailed review of the 4.0 pattern already. And if you guys want to check that video out, I'll link it in the description. But really dope pattern. It kind of has a, so it hits like the 1.0 pattern, and then has kind of like a 3.0 pattern vibe as well. So kind of a hybrid between the two. Really nice colorway though, and like that it's all uniform with the cage and the heel cup both, and then that kind of pinkish sort of upper. Is that good? You want to make a good lunch?
No.
No? Is that cheese? Cheese. Strawberry. Strawberry.
Goldfish.
Goldfish. In your belly. In your belly. In your belly. In your belly. Good job eating. You're hilarious. Aya!
I like cheese.
You don't want cheese?
I like strawberries.
You like strawberries? So all you've had is fruit and fruit.
Who wants more strawberries?
I got
Hi, pumpkin.
Here,
Here, let's go say bye to. Let's go bye to the TV. You're having fun. Are you doing flips? Come here, buddy. Wait, just say bye to everybody real quick. In the video, in the TV video.
Say, ready? We're gonna say 1, 2, 3. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Say what? Wave and say bye.
Bye.
You're
Bye. Your hair is wild today, Harrison.
Right.
Harrison, can you say cool, man?
Let's pick up garbage cans. Thank you.